Well, on the whole, for me, it wasn't necessarily our best performance, but at the end of the day, we got the 3 points. I feel like what we done out there, we could have done it to a better standard. I think we played into their hands, as in playing short balls and trying to play too much from the back. I think we need to play to our strengths and get the ball forward early and play in their half, which I think we done that better in the second half. And then ultimately we got the goal, and then we seen the game.
You spoke about a goal. Yours was called off. But based on the replays that we see, it seems like yours actually also.
Yeah. Now I felt that in the time me and Dimi spoke, and I've come from behind their line, so I don't understand how I'm offside. But that's what happens. We're battling against that, and we have to keep going and just keep playing.
Is that still one of the challenges that we face, as I mentioned, dealing with the refereeing decisions?
Yeah, look, we just spoke to the referees in the change room just then, and we just asked that we have a fair game. I don't think it was fair to a sense. I think they should have had a red card on the foul on Leon. I think it's set yellow. Lats has got a yellow card for no reason after he got fouled, and it's frustrating. Hence why I got a yellow card. And we need to understand that it's always going to be like this, and we've got to just play our own game and just keep it going.
Alright, quick look forward to the next game.
Yeah, listen, we've got to build on what we've done today. Obviously, it's 3 points, so at the end of the day, it's a good result for us. But we've got to build on performance, understand where we're strong, and not play into another team's hands. And I think we'll be better for it, and we'll fight and play better next game.
Alright, here's a fun one for you. What would you do if you weren't a professional?
If I wasn't,
Yeah, which sport would you do?
what sport? It's a hard one.
If you have a profession, you can say it.
Profession.
Alright, well, what sport do you appreciate? Probably second to football.
I like basketball. I like boxing. Don't want to be a boxer though. Yeah, but basketball, boxing, I think I watch.
Alright, cool. Respect.
Yeah? No worries.